So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. And then on the 4th time you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. And now once you're on this, I'm going to show you 3 different ways on how you can fix your problem. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It should then take you back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed. If that did not work, then you want to click on Advanced Options. For the second method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. If you have any restore points available, then you want to click on Next and then go back to your restore point. See if that works. If you don't have any, that's fine. You want to click on Cancel. For the next method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec /fix mbr and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootsect /nt60 sys and then click on Enter. And now you want to type in bootrec /fix boot and then click on Enter. Next, you want to type in bootrec /scan os. Click on Enter again. Next, you want to type in bootrec /rebuild bcd. Click on Enter again. Next, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. For the last one, you want to type in chkdsk c:/f/r and then click on Enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, close out of this. Then you want to continue to Windows. Hopefully this will fix your problem. For the last method, you want to come back into this screen and then click on Troubleshoot and then click on Reset this PC. If you don't have your files backed up, click on Keep My Files. If you do have your files backed up, click on Remove Everything. Reset your computer. Hopefully this will work for you.